Hi, Sarah with Atlas Electrical Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Plumbing Services 24/7. And we're here outside in the fresh air because what do we want to talk about? Fresh air in your home. Did you know that the air in your home is 5 times worse than it is outside? Why is that? It's because it's enclosed. It has no room to breathe. We at Atlas are bringing to you the APCO X. What it does is it has an ever carbon filter that gets rid of the chemical and the biological parts inside of your home. Odors, VOCs, viruses, allergies, things that cause you to not breathe clean air. Don't let your guard down. Call Atlas. We have a 2-light system. It's a dual light, bringing you a great product, clean air for your home. Don't let your guard down.
May the force be with you.